Okay, team, we're back here again for another MB Monthly Team Barbecue. Today we've got burgers on the menu. We've got some beef burgers, some lamb and halloumi burgers. Pretty excited for this one. A couple snags already on the barbecue. A few of the boys already playing ball and keen to get the team together, catch up and see what's been going on for the last month.
Envious round, that's still a lot of love. Up and down with opponent smiles. Envious round, that's still a lot of love. Up and down with opponent smiles. Envious round, that's still a lot of love. Up and down with opponent smiles. When you're blue.